My name is Tony Monisse. I'm a director at Brentmore's WA. Today I would like to share with you a framework, I guess, that we've been working, and myself personally, for the last 20 years, drawing on our experiences of helping clients grow their business. And so to explain this framework in a little bit more detail, this is a framework that I genuinely believe can help clients grow a sustainable, profitable business from our experience. So just very quickly, the framework is, the most important thing is that when you start a business is commitment. So again, I'll talk about that later, but without commitment, the business will not grow. You start your business with commitment, and then what I refer to as the value chain. You set up your systems and processes, you start doing things, you start invoicing customers, you start collecting money, you start doing the work. So this is what I refer to as the value chain. Again, I'll go into more detail of that in another segment. Your business gets to a certain size, but you need people. You need people to grow the business. And often the biggest inhibitor of growth is the people. And we all talk about, a lot of businesses talk about how important people are to the growth, the sustainable growth of the business. Again, we'll explore that in more detail. So look, you can have commitment, you can have your value chain in place, you can have your people, but my experience is that there's this missing piece if businesses really want to go to the next level. And I talk briefly about financial control, so just being on top of your numbers, understanding cash flow. I talk the importance of having a plan. And lastly, it's great to have a plan and the control of the numbers, but if you don't execute, don't do things, it just doesn't work. So again, we'll talk about what execute means. But there's just one last piece that we find that works really well, and it's really around that governance piece. It's having a quarterly business review. My experience and our experience is that business owners are really busy, so there needs to be a process to pull people out of the business, just to stop, look at what's going on, look at where the business is going, look at what's happening in the marketplace, and reset what the focus needs to be for the next 90 days. So look, in the next video, I will go more into detail about commitment.